Welcome everyone. Today we'll be taking a brief journey through the history of the USB. The USB, or Universal Serial Bus, is a compact, versatile data connector that has revolutionized the way we connect devices, both in terms of speed and convenience. The USB was first introduced in 1998 by Intel as a means to connect their mobile computers to external displays and keyboards. It quickly gained popularity and was adopted by various manufacturers, who began to integrate it into their products such as PCs, cameras, and smartphones. In the early 2000s, USB became a de facto standard for connecting removable storage devices such as memory cards and portable hard drives. This led to its expansion beyond the computer world and its adoption by other industries, including entertainment, where USB flash drives are now used to store and transfer movies, music, and other media content. In 2008, USB went through a major evolution, introducing the USB 3.0 standard. This version increased the data transfer speed by an order of magnitude, reaching rates of up to 5-bit/s, and allowed for the connection of multiple devices simultaneously, something that USB 2.0 couldn't do. Throughout the years, USB has continued to evolve with the introduction of USB 4.0 in 2019, which increased the speed even further to 10-bit/s, and the USB-IF USB Implementers Forum working on the development of USB 5.0, which is expected to bring even greater speed and capacity improvements. The USB has become an essential component of our daily lives, as it allows us to connect and transfer large amounts of data quickly and easily between various devices, from computers and laptops to smartphones and cameras. Its popularity is due to its versatility, ease of use, and consistent evolution, ensuring that it will continue to play a significant role in the future.